Hi.
So we are here and we are doing the first part of our Keep Kids Creative Week. We have these beautiful pictures that we are going to color and design, and then after we're done we are going to turn them into
Paper airplanes.
That's right, paper airplanes, and we're going to fly it outside. Hopefully it's not raining because it's totally gray out right now. So let's see if we can beat the rain. You guys ready to color?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so we are back and everyone has finished coloring their sheets of paper. Let's see. I love it. Very colorful,
Do you
very
like
creative.
these sprinkles?
Love the sprinkles.
I helped to do the sprinkles
Nice.
because it was too long.
Who likes to eat sprinkles?
Me!
I love me some sprinkles as well. Okay, so the next part of this project is we are going to turn our beautiful, creative artwork into airplanes. So our creativity can fly. Fly like an eagle. All right, so let's get started. You guys ready?
Yeah!
All right, so here we go, girls. And the girls are going to be following Mommy along, who is also going to be folding her paper airplane. So ready? We're going to take our sheets like this.
Turn it like this. Okay.
Good job. Then we're going to open it up.
Oh.
And then we're going to fold in the sides to the middle. This is Mommy's airplane.
She's done.
Okay, so when your airplane is done, it should look something like this. Very, very basic airplane that we're going to take outside and try to fly.
Batman!
This is my Batman rainbow machine.
Oh wait, doesn't this look like Batman's remote machine where Joker rubs his butt on?
Oh, yes. So, we have to name our planes. Come back over here. Our creative, colorful planes. What's your plane's name?
Sonic Rainbow.
Sonic Rainbow. What's yours?
Hearts Raindrop.
Hearts Raindrop. Okay, cool. Mommy's plane is named Up, Up, and Away. Who's ready to go outside and fly them? Who's ready?
Me.
All right, let's go. We are outside and we are going to try to fly our planes. Here's Mommy's Up, Up, and Away. Here's Divya's. What's yours?
Mine's Sonic Rainbow.
Are you ready? What's yours?
It's Hearts Drop.
All right. On your mark,
Get set.
get set,
Go.
go.
No.
Oh, crap. Engineers we are not. We should have had Daddy help us. Try it again. Well, that's one way to fly your airplane. Go ahead. Are you holding it the right way? Well, I don't even know if you held it the right way. Oh, are you okay? There's no bugs. So did you guys enjoy making paper airplanes that apparently did not fly very well?
Yeah.
All right, guys, we're gonna sign off. What do you want to tell your macaroons?
Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at ThreeMacaroons. Bye!
Bye. Don't forget to get your creative on. Go ahead and throw those planes one more time. All right. Have a good one, guys. Thanks for watching.